Do you want to get started with Walmart Spark, or are you just interested in learning about the sign-up process? If you are, then this video is perfect for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all of the steps needed so that you can get up and running and making money with Walmart Spark in no time. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Justin, and I'm a gig worker and self-employed entrepreneur, and I've taken the jump into being self-employed for over 2 years now. Here on my channel, I primarily focus on Walmart Spark and Instacart so that you can make more money per hour doing what you love. So let's get into the video and walk through how to sign up for Walmart Spark. Let's jump over onto my computer and I'll share my screen with you so that way you can see exactly what I see as we go through this process. First, let's go over to the website, Walmart dedicated for Walmart Spark. This will be down in the description of the video under number 1 if you'd like to follow along with me. I'm sure by now you've seen plenty of other videos talking about Walmart Spark, what the orders are like, pay, and so on, but if not, then check out my playlist about Walmart Spark by clicking the card in the upper right hand corner now. Now let's go to the next page and click on Join Spark Driver. This will lead us to a page that lists out all of the regions that Spark is available for drivers. Let's just pretend that I live in Georgia and that Augusta Richmond County is where I'd like to sign up. As you can see from this map, there are 4 different stores in this zone. And when I sign up, I have to choose between either the red zone or the blue zone. Some locations will have a region that is completely one color, so you will be able to get orders from all of the stores in that specific colored zone. Now let me click on Augusta down below and continue signing up. When I click on that, it'll direct me to the DDI paperwork website to check out stores that I'll be signing up for to deliver from, and I'll be able to start the paperwork needed to deliver for Walmart Spark. DDI is Walmart's contracted driver company, and it stands for Delivery Drivers Incorporated. If you're doing this yourself, then check out the map for your zone, but don't spend or worry about being locked into a specific zone. You can always change what zone you're in later. In order to sign up, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a vehicle. They state reliable vehicle, but they don't really check what kind of vehicle you have, and I've seen some people have really beaten up cars, missing bumpers, and that have taken a lot of damage, so a reliable car isn't the be-all end-all of signing up for Walmart Spark. You must also have proof of auto insurance, which is just your little insurance card. You don't need commercial auto insurance, but your auto insurance company should never know that you're doing this with a personal auto insurance policy. Next, fill out the application form below. Note that if you are a Walmart employee, you are ineligible to work for Walmart Spark. If you're 21 years old, then you will be able to do alcohol deliveries, which is why they ask this here. Next, they'll ask you if you have an Android or iOS smartphone, and they'll confirm that you're over 18 years old again. Then they'll send you an email that contains the website and login information for you to finish the rest of the paperwork. They'll also need your mailing address, your driver's license number, and the information on your driver's license, your auto insurance information, your social security number or employee identification number or tax ID number, depending on which one you have, and direct deposit information. Also, you'll have to agree to a background check and be able to pass the background check in order to deliver for Walmart Spark. After you're done with the paperwork, it'll take approximately 1 to 2 weeks to hear back from them. They say 7 to 10 business days for the background check to clear. After you pass your background check and everything, you will get an email from enterprise@ddiwork.com saying welcome to Spark Driver and that you're almost ready to get started. Next, you'll just have to download the app and log in, and you'll log in using your email and a temporary password that DDI sends you to log into the app. Next, you'll be able to Spark now, and you'll be able to start actively accepting offers from the Walmart Spark platform. If for any reason you need to change your zone, you can easily go over to the settings tab and click on My Zone and type in the zip code of where you would like your zone to be, and you can change your zone at your own will. You don't need to wait, and it'll immediately take effect, and you can start accepting orders from that zone as soon as you change the zone. Now that you know what you need to do in order to sign up for Walmart Spark, I would highly recommend that you do it, even if you don't plan on using Walmart Spark. With waitlists extending over 4 months in some areas, it's never a bad time to sign up and join the waitlist, so that way when an open position does become available, you can sign up and you can do Walmart Spark if you feel like it. Or if you don't feel like doing it, there's currently not a minimum number of orders that need to be taken within 6 months or a year for your account to stay current with Walmart Spark. So signing up and keeping your account is always a great option to fall back on in case anything happens with whatever gig app you're currently using. In the next video, I'll be talking about how to get rid of these stores in your zone that you don't plan on taking offers from in the Walmart Spark app, so that way your metrics can be increased and you will see better offers. As always, I'm creating these videos to help other Walmart Spark drivers and gig workers earn more money per hour and have the information they need to succeed. I also enjoy helping other gig workers keep the time freedom that they love and cherish to be able to have, just as I know I enjoy having time freedom and being able to be my own boss. So in the meantime, while you wait for that next video to come out, make sure that you check out these 2 videos. As always, guys, I appreciate you for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you're still watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.